Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Our project title is Secure and Distributed Data Discovery and Dissemination in Wireless Sensor Networks. Abstract. In wireless sensor network, it is important to updating the configuration parameter and distributing management commands to sensor nodes. Existing data discovery and dissemination protocol is suffer for centralized approach and security. Security is one of the most issue in data discovery and dissemination protocol on wireless sensor network. Let us see the flow of our project. First, we have to form the network and we have to created the trust node. Then formation of adversary nodes. If the adversary node is formed, we have to identify that by using that diatrib implementation. That diatrib protocol is used for identifying the adversary nodes using the key parameters. When the user joining in user joining phase, the user joining in the nearest cluster is taken as a cluster head for all the user under that cluster. We have to check the authentication for the user joining phase. Then if the authentication check is true, we have to transmit the data, else we have to treat that node as malicious, that is adversary node, and we have to mitigate and blocklist them. Let us see the output of our project. Before running our project, we have to change the path according to our NS all-in-one 2.34. So type in terminal window, type gedit space /dot/bashrc. In that, in existing they use 2.28. In our proposed system we use 2.34, so we have to change that 2.28 to 2.34 and name as 1.14 version. Then go to cd space ns all-in-one 2.34 and cd space ns all-in-one ns 2.34. Then type make for configuration. Again open the terminal window and type cd space code, that code folder, then type ns space main.tcl. So this for running our project. This tells about the security, the encryption decryption process, and hashing. Hashing is nothing but storage area. So this is our simulation window, that is called a NAM window, network animator window. When we click on play forward button, this produce a round circle it for sensing the transmission range. So our process is AODB process. So we split up our region in 4 clusters. So each cluster have the network owner as well as network user. So initialization is nothing but the network is formation is called the initialization phase. Then user joining phase, all the if 9 is a network owner, then all the under the nearest nodes are called the network users in that particular region. So now 9, 12, 27 and 36 are act as network owner and other nodes are act as network users. So it get the information from the server. So this tells about the link. There is 12 and the node of 12 and node of 37 have the link. with a bandwidth of 10 megabits per second. Now network owner gives the permission to all the network user. So now network owner gives the data packet to the network user. This started lines tells about the network transmission. We use a transmission control protocol, that is TCP for transmission. This alert box shows that which type of transmission and how much time it takes and how much of packet is sent. If any node wants to act as a another network owner, then it sends the advertisement packets to all the users. So now in that place, this node of 18 wants to act as a network owner, so it sends the advertisement packet to the network users. So after sending the advertisement packet, it gets the information from the network server, our server node. This node also have the permission to send the information to all other user nodes. For graph generation, we type GNU plot space, must list them, GNU plot space pdr.plot, pdr for packet delivery ratio. In existing system they use less packet delivery ratio. In proposed we use more packet delivery ratio.